What's up, guys? My name's Carson. Sammy's behind the camera. We're the complete couple, and we are on the Grandeur of the Seas today doing a casino tour behind us. We're going to show you all the games, if they're new, if they're old, what they've got. Let's check it out. Alrighty, the Casino Royale aboard the Grandeur of the Seas. Let's see what we got here. We got some Dragon Ball games. I actually don't know which this one's called. I have played it before. I don't know if it's Dragon Spin. So we got 3-card poker. We do have one machine out of order here, which is a coin pusher, I believe.
Old it is.
It's out of order. Let's see here. So we got 3-card poker. So basically a whole section in here of games. Roulette. I don't know what this one is. Trips, that's got to be Ultimate Texas Hold'em. Roulette. Let's see what we got over here. We got some lightning links. Love a good lightning link. Tiki Fire, Best Bet, Heartthrob. These are new, actually. These are new games, so they definitely change them out here. We got Wonder 4 Gold Boost. We got the new Toro Casho Luna. This is going to be a Black Stallion, Pink Diamond, Shadow Panther's a good one. Star Rise is cool. Golden Egypt. I like Golden Egypt. Ooh, Ocean Magic's a good one. Cleopatra's a good one. Dragon Sphere, I've seen that, not really played it. Quick Hits is always fun. On this side, it's kind of a wild casino, honestly.
Yeah, it's very, very extremely confusing and trippy. So
this side we've got your can't think of the name of this one, but it's the double up games. Ra's Awakening, Olympus's Awakening. Looks like this is going to be the casino host. We're going to keep going back to the center. A huge thing of dancing drums in the center, and on this side we'll hit it real quick. We got Ultimate Firelink, that's the new one, I like that one. Ooh, they got the brand new Monopoly Express. They actually changed these games out a lot. That's a brand new Monopoly Express. This is gonna be the one with the dragons, the triple coin treasures.
Real quick, look how crazy. It's so high up and you have like a high, never had slots.
Wow, you're right.
This level, does that make sense?
Really high, yeah.
It's really weird.
It's a cool statue in the center. Let's hit this right here, this way. We got coin combos. I like the coin combos, are always fun. We got Misread, Hot Roll, Golden Goddess, Black Widow. Bunch of these ones where you get the 3 spins. Can't think of the name of them. There's Klinko's a cool one. We got Fortune Harmony. It's a good game. New one also. A lot of new games. I'm actually thoroughly impressed. Dancing Drums Prosperity. Tree of Wealth. Another good one. And let's see, we got more roulette. They got a craps table on here. Ultimate Texas Hold'em, 3-card poker. I've actually never seen this game. 5 Dragons Ultra. That's gotta be new. Never seen that. Nefari's Treasure, Ramos's Treasure. And beautiful craps table, more 3-card poker. Ultimate Texas Hold'em table.
So here's the other back entrance.
This is the other, so we came in the back, just so you guys know. Then you got your Wonder 4s, which are always great games. You got Wonder 4s, which are great. And then again, that's to the Palladium, which is their theater. So now let's start heading towards the front. 3-card poker, kind of a trippy casino because there's a lot of mirrors everywhere. A lot of mirrors all over the place. Let's see what this one is. You got blackjack. Alrighty, so now we are back here in the center. There's the cashier. Look at the little cashier cage right there in the dead center, not very big. Now let's head down this side and then we'll follow back up. So this is where those Monopoly Expresses were, and this is what's around the corner. So we've got Fortune Harmonies, the brand new, I don't know if it's brand new, but they got like a King Kong. I don't know if that one is brand new. Jewel of the Dragon, Buffalo. I'll be honest, they shoved a lot in here. I'm actually impressed.
I was saying, it's very tight though.
It's tight, but they put a lot of games. Super Times Pay, featuring Spitfire multiplier spins. I'm not sure what this one's gonna be. That one's locked down. Let's see as we round the corner here. Oh, we got I like these right here. That's the Mo Money. Mo Money's good. These are locked down currently. Mo Money's. And then we've got some Wheel of Fortunes. Love a good Wheel of Fortune. Bazoo Foo. These are gonna be the Leprechaun games. I love these Leprechaun games. Man, you got Mighty Cash on here. Mighty Cash is always fun. We got more Lightning Dragon Links. We've got, what is this? It says Hot New Game. Oh, 12, that's a cool one. Twin Win, but that one's got a messed up screen. Not sure what these are gonna be. Siberian Storm, and then look at this. Look at this cool bar.
Look at the baseballs in it.
Look at this cool bar, it's awesome. It's old but cool.
It is, it's like a really cute flash from the past. Really
I agree.
chic.
Yeah, wow.
That's actually really cool.
It's a Devil Race ball. And then we got more Mighty Cash double ups. Mighty Cash double ups and Buffalo Golds. And this is cool. Hot Game El Gran Fiesta.
That's so adorable.
Casino bar to finish us off.
No, here's your cashier.
I did, I showed him the cashier. Here's the hours of operation while we're on board. Fort Lauderdale is going to be 5 till 8. Day 2 is Nassau. which is 4:45 to late. And then at C, the slots are open all day and the tables start at noon.
You gotta show you the cool main entrance floor. It's pretty wild.
The Superstar Pokers. Oh, they actually have a working coin pusher. Treasure Bay coin pusher. And look at this cool floor.
It's pirate themed. Arg.
Good luck in the casino.
Alright, so that was the Grandeur? I don't really know how to say it, of the Seas casino tour. Make sure you check out our channel. We have dinners, we have room tours, we have vlogs, we have everything about the ship if you want to go check it out, buffet tours. So check out our channel, like, subscribe, and we'll see you here in the casino.